This is Bill Ritchie recording for you in the year 2023. The video you're watching was made in 2010. That was 13 years ago. And frankly, I was delighted when we discovered this tape in our archives. So much has changed in the gallery, and it was great to see how it looked in November of 2010. I see the print bin here, the familiar artworks on the wall. Some of them are still in the same position, but mostly it has changed. In the center you see my little portable stand that I used when I went outside to demonstrate the mini Halfwood press in action. That's it you see on the table. The great Voyage of the Emeralda that Carl Chu owns now. My sculpture from the year 1963-64, made in Ellensburg when I was a student. I had a great workstation. It's still in the same position. It looks a little different now, but we still have two computers and printer and, of course, the screens. The back room, a 5 by 10 foot space, we filled with a huge oak cabinet, and it held all of my ceramics dating from 1960 up to sometime in the early 70s. And in one end of that space in the back, we had the smaller sets of paper drawers. The other large paper drawers were still over on Taylor Avenue. Well, thanks for watching.